How to pay your invoices from the billing page. With TaxDome's intuitive client portal, you can effortlessly manage and pay your invoices with just a few clicks. I will show you how to pay one or multiple invoices from the billing page in this video. The invoices with pending payment are placed at the top, along with the invoice number and the amount due. To pay your invoices, you can either click on the items placed inside the Waiting for Action block, or just click on the invoice number under the Invoices tab. The payment page will open, and here you will find all the invoice details, including the amount and the service you are being invoiced for. If you have credits available, they are automatically deducted from the total. If your firm requires partial payments, you can manually enter the amount to pay directly from the payment link, allowing you to pay just a portion of the invoice as needed. Enter your bank account or card details, then proceed with the payment. Just click on Pay Invoice and that's it. The payment has been done. If you wish to pay multiple invoices simultaneously, simply choose them by clicking the checkboxes and then click Pay Selected. Proceed with the same payment steps as you would for individual invoices. If you pay from the portal, your payment details will be saved and could be easily reused for subsequent invoices, letting you pay with just one click. And you're all set. You can easily pay multiple invoices at once.